Hello, my name is Katie Adams. I am the technical director at Steele High School. I wanted to give you this video in case you need a little bit of help with the sound system or anything for your presentation. So we are currently in the Steele Auditorium. I want to show you where all of the sound stuff is. So we're going to go right here behind the curtain. Alrighty, so here behind this curtain, you can also use this backstage door, but here we have our sound box. You'll see that this little red light is on. This needs to stay on, so please do not touch that button. All you need to do is hit this one right here and it will power up, and all those little lights will click on. And it's gonna do its thing. There it is. All right, so once this screen finishes loading, you will have an option here that says AHM. Oh, it will not focus on that, but it will say that. You'll need to click on that little thing right there. And then you will hit connect and hit OK. And this will bring you to your sound. This is your options that you have available to you. Media, that is the anything you plug in. So this does have Bluetooth capabilities and things like that. If you are wanting to do that, those are kind of a little bit more in depth and most people don't need those, but if you need help with those, you can just come find me. Then there's wireless mic 1 and wireless mic 2, and then video. Video will be our computer, which I'll be showing you momentarily. The wireless mics 1 and 2 are in this drawer on the cabinet, right in here. There's little bags, and you just pull your little microphone out of there. And you just turn it on. There's a little switch on here. It's dark, here we go. And it'll turn on and you will be able to use it. The volume, wireless mic 2, will be controlled right here with wireless mic 2. So we do have those 2 wireless mics. If you are needing more than 2, you do need to let me know ahead of time so I can get that set up for you. All right. Those mics do go back in here when they are done in the bags. Close up the drawers, and then you can turn it off just by hitting this switch. You do not need to hit the red one. So we will just power down. And there you have it. Those little slides let you control the volume of those 4 options, and that will just be all from down here. If any of this does not turn on, there's a possibility that something up in the booth got turned off, and I will show you that here in just one second. I do need to mention the projector screen right here next to our sound box. There is a key in the wall, and this controls the projector screen. So you just turn it for up and you turn it for down, and it just goes all the way up or down. So that is where that is located. That is all right here next to our stage door that most people can come in through. And there's the stage. Alrighty, so here is our booth. If for any reason your sound system downstairs does not turn on all the way, that little screen doesn't work, you're gonna see this tower here. Nobody needs to touch this, but if your thing does not work, it is because that little red light got turned off. So if that little red light is off, just go ahead and flip it back on and close the cabinet. You don't need to touch it, just turn the red light back on. All right, so other things you're gonna probably need for presentations would be the computer, which is up here. You can log into that and access Google Drive, things like that, anything you would. This one does have some USBs, and that's about it. It does not have a disk drive, so do not bring a disk of any kind. No one's ever done that, but don't. This will automatically play through the sound system, as I said before. Our projector is up here. There's a big power button up there that you can turn on, and it will take a while to warm up, but then it will project right out there for you. So I hope these are helpful to you. We have the lights. If you would like to control the house lights, that's the audience lighting, there's a panel over here on the wall. On this panel, I'm gonna touch it kind of on the side and light it up. I got presets. Preset 1 is everything is on. Preset 2 is where it's on, but it's kind of dim. And then off, obviously, is off. We do have what I call the ghost light, which is this little switch right here. If this little red light is on, we have an emergency light that is turned on. And so if you're wanting to turn that off, you can flip that switch and that little red light will turn off. So that would be where the ghost light is on. That would be where it is off. It's just a safety light for any time that the lights are off, okay? If you are needing lighting for the stage, please be sure that you talk to me about that so I can get that set up for you ahead of time. So I hope this tutorial video was helpful to you. If you have questions, I'm in J127, which is just right across the hallway from the auditorium. Chances are you've probably already talked to me before. So like I said, if you need stage lighting or anything in excess of what I've showed you today, just come and talk to me and we can get you set up. And have a great day.